children, it's time for your maths class. Today we will be dealing with cube and cube root. In the last class we learned about the square root. Today cube and cube root. So the cube is when a number is multiplied by itself for 3 times, it is called the cube, right? Just like the square is when a number is multiplied by itself for 2 times, it is called the square, right? When it is multiplied for 3 times, it is called cube. For example, when 2 is multiplied for 3 times, this will be written as 2 to the power 3. When the power is 3, we read it as 2 cube, right? 2 to the power 3 tilaw khan square kan soi ang khan square apo khan 2 a power kha patni ni chuan 2 square kan dia power kha pathum ni chuan, that means 2 is multiplied by itself for 3 times, so it is 2 cube, right? Then when for another example, 3 is multiplied by itself for 3 times, right? It is called 3 to the power 3 and 3 cube. Then 2 cube is how much? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 2 cube value is 8. So 3 cube is 3. It is not 3 into 3, right? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is multiplied by 3 for 3 times. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, right? This is called cube. So 2 cube value is 8. 3 cube is 27. Then 4 cube, when 4 is multiplied by itself for 3 times, 4 to the power 3. 4 multiplied by 3 anilaw. Oh, 4 here pathum in multiply khan and cube ani. So 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So 4 cube is 64, right? So cube of a negative number, for example, negative no neta say negative number cube hitu negative answer po negative ani zela athan chu assign le sign minus kan multiply chuan plus 2 lo chhuak ka ma se helai plus le lai minus se multiply chuan minus lo chhuak zel chu wang chuan cube of the cube of negative numbers will always be negative. Minus 2 cube is minus 8, right? So the cube, after cube we have cube root. Cube kan share to cube root symbol kha kan endenga cube root he tia kan je han square root symbol ni masi cube root a chuan then helai zoom zone and 3 is ya kanga. Then cube root of 8, 2 cube root nge ani to me am 2 cube nge ani 8 hi 2 cube nge ni. What same number multiplication gives 8 as the answer, right? The same number is multiplied for 3 times and it gives the answer 8. What is that number? 2 cube nge tina 8 2 cube nge root of 8 to 2 cube ka 8 ani chuan 8 hi 2 cube root ani vele thum. So cube root of 8 is 2, right? So cube root of 27 here 2 cube nge 27 hi 2 cube nge ni vele thum 3 multiply khan 3 cube, right? So we write 3. Cube root of 64, we write the symbol. Cube root of 64 is equal to 4. That is the symbol. Do not mix up with square root symbol. Square root that's a number 2 po kan zia lawa ma kan zia lawa. So 3 alone chuan a cube root ti na, right? 3 hey cube root symbol. Now let us look these examples. The first one, find the cube. We need to find out the cube of 2 by 3. So if we are going to find out the cube, that means the same number will be multiplied by itself for 3 times. So 2 by 3 will be multiplied for 3 times, right? If we're going to find the cube, then 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So the cube of 2 by 3 is 8 by 27. Next is cube of minus 5. Minus 5 will be multiplied by itself for 3 times. And as we said before, when the cube of negative number, so this is negative, cube of negative numbers will be negative. 5 5 25, 25 into 5 is 125. So the cube of minus 5 is minus 125, right? The next question, finding the cube root. If we're going to find out the cube root, we need to write the symbol cube root of 125. When you read this, we will read it as cube root of 125. We will prime factorize in the rough column. 125 can prime factorize on. What can divide 125? 5, 2, 5, 5, 5, 5, 1. Now we write cube root symbol. Square root kan so na dan ang teu tho khan niya. Can prime factorize 5 pathum. 5 into 5 into 5. Then square root ang khan. Cube root at chuan pathum zel hi kanin ko pangai vele thunga. Hemi te pathum kan la khian hemi cube root symbol hi lo bo chi anga. So instead of this 3 5, right? This 5 for 3 times, we read 5 for 1 time. Cube root of ang hian pathum zel kanin ko panga 5 alo chuak ta a. So the answer is 5. Cube root of 125 is 5. Next we have 216. Cube root of 216. We will prime factorize 216. What can divide? 2108. 254. 227. 39. 33. 31. Now cube root 2 for 3 times, 3 for 3 times. Then we will group the factors in 3, right? For finding the cube root, we group the factors in 3. Pathum aya pakhat kan na zelang. Hemi te pathum aya han 2 kapay katilanga. John a symbol, root of a symbol hi alaw bobanga. 3 pathumaya han kapay katilanga. Then you multiply this is 6. So the cube root of 216 is 6. This is how we find out cube and cube root. That is all for today, and for your assignment 33 will be exercise 6.4, question number 1, sum number 1 to 6, exercise 6.5, question number 1 to 4. Submit this assignment. Thank you.